Welcome to a video on the partitioning or fair shares approach to whole number division. In this approach, n divided by d represents the number of objects in each set when n objects are equally distributed among d sets. This makes more sense when we look at an example. So in example 1, we are asked to write a story problem that uses the partitioning approach to divide 18 by 3. This is also called the partitioning into equal subsets or equal sets. So here's a word problem that I came up with, and you can try to come up with your own. I actually strongly suggest that for practice. So in my word problem, my story problem, Amy has 18 chocolates. She wants to make 3 identical and I put that there because students often ask me, do they have to be the same? In this case, they had to be the same. So she wants to make 3 identical gift baskets. And by identical, I mean with this same amount of chocolates in each, not the decorations or anything like that. So 3 identical gift baskets with all of the chocolates, or using all the chocolates that she has. So let's do that. Let's write that better. So using all the chocolates she has. So you can't keep any for yourself. Amy can't keep any for herself. How many chocolates will each basket have? So here's my story problem, and I always encourage you to go or sketch some sort of visual diagram or representation to go with this as to how you would actually solve the problem. So we can put the chocolates on a tray. Okay, and we can put the 18 chocolates here. So there is my tray with the 18 chocolates. And now I know how many baskets I want to make, so I can go ahead and sketch those baskets too. So here's one, here's the other one, and here's the other one. And now what I want to do is I want to make sure that each of these baskets has the exact same number of chocolates. So that means that I will start partitioning or putting one chocolate at a time in each of the baskets until I run out of chocolates. So for instance, I will take this chocolate and I will put it in the first basket. Then I will take the chocolate here and I will put it in the second basket. I will take this chocolate, put it in this basket here, and I will continue to do that, making sure that I am equally distributing the chocolates into the baskets until I run out of chocolates. And so you could hopefully imagine then that if I keep on doing this, one chocolate at a time, eventually I will have used up all the chocolates and I will end up with 6 chocolates in each of the baskets. Okay, so I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4, 5, 6. And I would have used all of the chocolates here. Okay, but again, I am distributing it one at a time here. And so since I have 6 chocolates in each basket, that gives me the answer to my division problem. And so now I can write my conclusion. And I can say that 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now this is called a partitioning into equal subsets or fair shares approach, because you can think of having a big set here and then partitioning into subsets that have to have the same cardinality or the same number of elements here. And what gives you the answer is how many elements you have in each of these subsets. And so you have six in each of the subsets. And so that's one way of looking at it. And also it's called a fair shares because if you think about it as a sharing problem, you can see that when you do a fair share, every basket or every person has to get the same amount. And so that's the idea here.
Do that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.